Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn how to multiply fractions by simply following the step of up by up and down by down. Let's see how we can apply it. In this example we have here 3 over 5 multiplied by 10 over 12. To multiply fractions, all you have to do is simply multiply the numerator by the numerator and the denominator by the denominator. So the answer will be 30 over 60. Now here I can simplify my fraction by dividing up and down by 10 first of all. It will become 3 over 6, and later on I can still divide by 3 for both of them, and the final answer will become 1 over 2. Let's take another example. Let's say we have here 4 over 5 multiplied by 10 over 12. Let's apply the multiplication up by up and down by down. What will I have? I will have 40 over 60. And here I can simplify either by doing it step by step, just like before, or I can divide by the GCF directly of 40 and 60. But instead of going through all of this trouble and taking a long time in dividing, we can apply something called cancelling, where it is a simplification before even we start with our multiplication. And this can be applied only for multiplication. In this case, I can take any numerator and simplify it with any denominator. Okay, so here I notice that the 4 can be simplified with the 12 by simply dividing both of them by 4. The 4 will become 1 and the 12 will become 3. Also the same thing I can apply for the 10 and 5. Both of them, they can be divided by 5. The 5 will become 1 and the 10 will become 2. And there we go. Now I can multiply up by up and down by down. It will become 2 over 3. And as you can see, the multiplication is done and also in simplest form. Let's take another example. Let's say here I have 3 and 2 over 4 multiplied by 8 over 7. Here, I cannot start the cancelling or the multiplication because I have a mixed number, and in multiplication I cannot deal with mixed numbers. I have to turn them into improper fractions. So let's apply the cycle rule. Multiply, then add. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. The denominator stays the same, and the other fraction, nothing happens to it. Now I can apply the cancelling. I notice that I can simplify the 8 and 4 by dividing both of them by 4. The 4 will become 1 and the 8 will become 2. And I can divide 14 and 7, both of them by 7. The 14 will become 2 and the 7 will become 1. Let's apply the multiplication up by up and down by down. 2 times 2 is 4 and 1 times 1 is 1. 4 over 1, which is equal to 4, and that's how we do it. Let's take one and final example. 2 and 1 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 7. Let's get started. So here again, I need to make this improper fraction. So 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 over 3 multiplied by 9 over 7. Here I notice that I can cancel with the 7s. Both of them can be divided by 7. So both of them will be 1. And 9 and 3, both of them can be divided by 3. The 9 will become 3 and the 3 will become 1. And that's how we do it. Up by up and down by down. 1 by 3 is 3. 1 by 1 is 1. And that will be our multiplication in the simplest form, and that's how we do it. That will be it, guys, for this video. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please put them down in the comments below.